Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Yeah, on the Doge chart, we are still holding around or hovering around that 40 cent level. Similar to yesterday, we're also still holding below that 48.4 cent level, which is the next 123.6 FIB extension, the next resistance. Price so far, couldn't break above it. It just couldn't. The sideways range remains, well, firm, remains alive, not very exciting at the moment. After these strong rallies, we often see sideways consolidations, but this is now again, let's say 4 weeks, a bit longer than 4 weeks actually. Getting obviously starting to get boring, obviously, but after such a rally, don't forget the price reached, or let's say the price rallied from the low in August, like 450, rather 500%. So it just takes some time to correct all that. And I guess better than a sharp correction is a sideways consolidation, of course, still with high volatility due to the extensions on this chart. But the idea is still that we could see further upside in the fifth wave of the third wave there. The price could reach 59.6 cents next. It's the 138% extension there, right? And then we can get a wave 4 and a wave 5 of wave C of a larger third wave. Then a larger 4 and a larger 5. That's how we track this. And is there a more bearish scenario? Well, short term, we could already be in this larger fourth wave. Could definitely live with that. The correction is already healthy enough to be all of this fourth wave, but then we haven't even reached this 32.5 cent level, which is the first line of support for the larger fourth wave. I do have this support area already on the chart just to show, in case we break the upper micro support here, which is located between 25 cents and let's say 34, 35, if we break below that, we might attack that larger support area there. But again, it's no evidence that this larger fourth is currently unfolding. And then over the coming months, weeks and months, we should reach this cycle target area between 132 and $2.11. That can still change. It's a nominal target area. It's a moving target area. Until we get closer, this can still move a bit. But overall, on the smaller time frame, you see there is just no change. There's no change. I know it is so boring. The most exciting part of this was the idea of a possible triangle that could have broken to the upside, but failed to break out. I think it moved up when the triangle was technically complete. But I mentioned to you, it looks like a three-wave move. It's not rapid enough really to be a breakout, but obviously we remain open to the idea, but it didn't break out. And so, what is this now, right? It might need another low. I don't know. It's still in the range essentially. So what really counts here is that the 33 or let's say 34 to 25 cent area is holding. That's key support. We only touched it once here. That was on the 17th of November. And then based on the internal structure of an ABC structure, we defined this blue target area for the leg down here that unfolded. Well, that was reached between 37.5 cents and 32 cents. That's the blue Fibonacci zone. There is additional micro support at 35.3 cents and 34 cents. And from there, we can then watch for one more high in wave 5 of circle wave 3. But yeah, again, we need more evidence, right? The last rally, unfortunately, and this is now, let's talk about short-term bullish, short-term bearish. The last rally was only in 3 waves. So it might turn into a much more complex sideways correction. It might easily extend, with only a 3-wave move up from a low. I have no evidence for an upside breakout. There is a Fibonacci resistance area, which I added. We'll see if it actually holds. As long as we hold below that, there's even a setup for lower prices because of the 5-wave move down. We could say, okay, if we're working on a 3-wave move up and stay below 45.6 cents, we might even go lower, but all within the current range. So it wouldn't really be bearish. I think pullbacks would rather be opportunities. In this wave degree, as long as we're holding that 25 cent level. But for now, it's just sideways. There's not really anything exciting to say at the moment though. So I think to the upside, we have some micro resistance at 42 cents, 43.5 and 45.6. To the downside, we have micro support at 37.5, 35.3, 34 and 32 cents. This is Fibonacci resistance and Fibonacci support. So overall, we're just moving between support and resistance, and we're waiting for a clear decision. That's also what we're dealing with on the Bitcoin chart. So not really a clear decision yet. Yeah, that's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. If you're interested in the membership, you can find a short video on the channel page. Today, we covered Dog with Hat as a member-only video, so you get access to these, Phantom, Layer AI, Injective, and so on. Tomorrow, we've got our member live stream at 5 p.m. UTC, and if you're a gold member, you can even join our Discord server with lots of additional content, learning materials, lots of stuff. So you can check it out. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.